Welcome to Skillbee 10x Digital School. I am Lakshmi, and today we are diving into the 15 most critical news headlines from across the globe that every civil service aspirant must know. From the shifting political landscape in Kerala and West Bengal to significant geopolitical developments in the Middle East and new discoveries in environmental science, these stories are curated to help you bridge the gap between daily news and your exam syllabus. Let's get started with today's essential briefing to sharpen your preparation and keep you ahead of the curve. Global Pulse 360 at Skillbee. Today's 15 must-know headlines. Global Affairs. The World Your Child in H. 1. World Water Day. The Global Water Day from 26. Today is observed globally with the theme Water for Peace. It's a crucial lesson for students on how sharing resources like the Indus River can prevent wars. Strait of Hormuz emergency. The IEA has called for an emergency meeting as oil shipping remains blocked. For parents, this explains why fuel and cooking gas prices are fluctuating. 3. The Ras Laffan impact. Damage to Qatar's massive gas facility is causing a global green energy push. A great time for students to look into careers in renewable energy. 4. UN Security Council deadlock. Major powers are struggling to agree on a Middle East ceasefire. This is a perfect example of international relations in practice for UPSC-PSC aspirants. 5. Gaza Humanitarian Corridor. In a glimmer of hope, 50 children were evacuated through the Rafah crossing for medical aid, highlighting the role of the WHO in conflict zones. National News. Building a Stronger India. In this Waters Treaty notification, India has formally asked Pakistan to review the 66-year-old Water Pact, citing current security concerns. A top-tier topic for any competitive exam. 2. Jawar Airport Security Lockdown. As the March 28th inauguration nears, Noida International Airport has become a no-drone zone. This marks India's leap toward becoming a global aviation hub. 3. The Mission 100+ strategy. News from Assam suggests a major political shift as parties bring in younger, fresh faces for the upcoming 2026 elections. 4. PM Poshan Breakfast Pilot. The government is testing a plan to provide free breakfast to students up to Class 12. This is a major move for student welfare and nutrition. 5. Relief Scheme for Small Businesses. The 497 crore rupees fund for exporters is being expanded. It shows how the government protects Indian livelihoods during global crises. Science, Kerala and Future Trends. 1. Guyana-Brazil Oil Pact. India is moving away from Middle East oil reliance by signing new deals with South America. A great lesson in economic geography. 2. Kerala Bird Flu Update. Culling in Alappuzha is nearly complete. Health experts are using this as a case study in rapid disaster management. 3. Digital Arrest Protection. The RBI has introduced new stop clock features for bank transfers to protect citizens from cyber fraud. A must-know safety tip for every household. 4. Record solar adoption. With oil prices high, Indian households have set a record for installing rooftop solar panels this month. 5. India's first LPG ATM. Launched in Gurugram, this 24/7 machine is changing how we think about essential services, turning technology into convenience. That concludes our 15 essential headlines for today. Remember, for a student and job seeker, news is not just information. It is the foundation for your static syllabus, from geography and environment to international relations and governance. I hope these points help you stay updated and focused on your goals. If you found this briefing helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to Skillbee 10x for your daily dose of exam-oriented current affairs. Don't forget to check the description box for the full text of these headlines to add to your notes. Keep learning, stay motivated, and I will see you in the next session.